Here again with another video from California Adventure. I know you're thinking, Eldon, what's in this video today? Well, today we're doing lots of treats and maybe a couple drinks, and hopefully maybe if you have time, get on a few rides. So let's jump in this video and see what we can get into. You heard the guy, and if you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Now over here at Smoke Jumper's Grill, I'm getting to try Oogie Boogie's green apple lemonade. I must say it looks pretty good. Now I'm not allowed to touch this until I find Sarah, which is over here by Avengers campus, trying out one of the new treats that came out over there. New to us, not new to the park. Very vibrant, and yeah, can't wait to try it out. Doing my best here. Haven't drank it yet, but soon we will try this out. Looks pretty good. Alright, well, I'm here, she's there, now we can try this out. Oh yeah, sour apple for sure. Very sour. Oh, yeah, it's like a warhead, like a liquid warhead. Now they give you this nice big nifty straw for all the boba inside. Pretty medium-sized drink, too bad. Now this does have cherry pearls in it, like kind of like boba, with raspberry sauce. So that combining with the sour apple lemonade mix, sour apple lemonade syrup, is actually very, very sour. You can see them at the bottom here. I can zoom in and there you go. Yeah, so very sour indeed. Now what we got here is a cream orb? Cosmic cream orb, sorry. I went blank there. I totally forgot the name of this. Cosmic cream orb. I want to say crispy cream orb for some reason. But yeah, look at these colors, guys. Insane. I imagine it turns your tongue purple. I feel very festive. I did not have this planned out, but very purple along with my shirt. But it's like basically like a cheesecake filling, raspberry cheesecake filling. Yeah, let's try it out. Kind of like a custard, like a raspberry custard. Not bad. Definitely recommend it. Well, it's been fun in California Adventure, but now we're gonna head off to Disneyland because well, we've already had 2 nights here at Oogie Boogie Fest, Oogie Boogie Bash. So it's gonna be closing down here pretty soon, and they're actually closing early so all the people can come in and enjoy the Oogie Boogie Bash with their trick-or-treats and rest of the goodies of the night. So let's head over to Disneyland. Let me tell you guys, Oogie Boogie Bash was definitely worth it. I definitely plan on coming back next year. Definitely. 3 times, definitely. 4 times. Oh, on a roll here. It'll never get old going through these gates. Try this again. Hello. Hello, thank you. This part right here is for me to embrace later on while I'm having a hard day at work. Look where I'm at today. And you too could watch this when you're having a bad day. Yes, the famous plaque. We're gonna check out this little gift shop here. Expensive gift shop. Very antique stuff here. Now, if you guys are a fan of Thomas Kincaid, you'll definitely love these. This is very cool. I'd love to have this in my backyard. Now this is very cool. And there's your going price for it. Always a cool place to go into when you're entering the park, and a lot of times I go in there, find myself in there when I'm leaving the park, so definitely worth it. A lot of cool place, a lot of cool signs and old artifacts in there and stuff like that, so definitely worth checking out. Go by there. Well guys, we just did a big purchase. We just got our season passes. Sarah here just got the Dream Key, and then I got a Believe Key, which is one step below. We're kind of torn on it from getting it to not getting it, only because we've been hearing a lot of people upset about the reservations and them not able to get reservations because of how busy it is and how everybody's just taking up days like so far out, and they're not able to get any days or reserve any days. It makes sense for us only because we live so far away and we like to plan out our vacations sometimes months in advance. So yeah, and kind of excited. And also we get the $25 free parking basically. And it kind of saves us money too, because we don't have to pick like an expensive hotel close by. We can just pick something further away as a nicer, cheaper hotel, some cases, and then just drive to the park, which is basically ends up being free, and then just taking a tram from the parking lot over here to the parks. So pretty cool. I mean, I'm excited. Now our next adventure is plan when we get home. Plan out our next vacation, or who knows, maybe a couple trips, try to get a weekend down here, or so we'll be down here more often. I'm excited. So, and then that means also more videos on my page, so for all you guys that are excited or not excited, whatever, but I'm excited. Oh yeah, so next we're gonna go and get our first treat in the park. It's something to do with Haunted Mansion, so let's go enjoy. I figured while I'm down here I'll get some Disney ducks for you guys. All over the parks. Disneyland's very own wildlife ducks. Haunted Mansion Bloody Wedding Cake. This cake is rated R. And I'm not talking about pirates. Overall, it's not bad. It's pretty good. Pretty rich. Yeah. It's kind of hard. Like it's been sitting in a fridge for a while. But overall, I mean, honestly, if I were to take this home and put it in the microwave for a little bit, it might be amazing. I think so. One thing I'm craving now is milk. Where is the milk? The cake should definitely come with milk. Just saying. Look where we're going now. That's right, right there. It's a little cloudy out, it's a little cold, but we're gonna do it. Zippity doo dah day.
Guys, so pretty.
Here we go.
I'm not worried about the big one. I'm worried about
I'm trying. Oh, damn. A little wet.
Oh my god, honey, you're so wet.
A little wet. My right foot is now almost completely soaked, but it's okay. We sat down for a minute and I kind of dried it off, but it'll do. Now we're off to Black Spire's Outpost. Look at these details, guys. Those of you who have been here, I'm jealous because I want to be here more. But now with the season pass, I do plan on coming here a lot more. So we're gonna try the Ronta wrap over here in Star Wars Land. Black Spire Outpost. I call it Star Wars Land. Some people like to be Pacific. Star Wars Land. We'll go with Star Wars Land. Quick, guys, while I got you here, I got 2 Kyber crystals. I bought 2 red ones. I know 1 out of 500 you can get a black one, so I went ahead and got the wrapper off. I haven't opened them yet. You know, I figured I might as well open it in front of you guys. So let's cross your fingers and hopefully get one of them. Get a black one. So let's try this out. This one is red. Alright, well, that's one red one. Let's try for the second. And red. Dang. Well, it was fun. Got 2 of them. Yeah. Next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.